Jackfruit is a unique tropical fruit that has increased in popularity in recent years. It has a distinctive sweet flavor and can be used to make a wide variety of dishes. It is also very nutritious and has several health benefits. So let's now take a look at the jackfruit and its healing properties. What is jackfruit? Jackfruit is an exotic fruit grown in tropical regions of the world. It is native to South India. It is part of the Moraceae plant family, which also includes fig, mulberry, and breadfruit. Jackfruit has a spiky outer skin and is green or yellow in color. One unique aspect of the jackfruit is its unusually large size. It is the largest tree fruit in the world and can reach up to 80 pounds, that's 35 kilograms in weight. Jackfruit has a subtle sweet and fruity flavor. It has been said to taste similar to a combination of fruits including apples, pineapples, mangoes, and bananas. Vegans and vegetarians often use this fruit as a meat substitute due to its texture, which is comparable to shredded meat. Since jackfruit is able to withstand tropical climates, it can be a major source of calories and carbs for people in developing countries who are at risk of starvation. Although jackfruit is grown in tropical areas, it is becoming more widely available in other parts of the world, including the US. It is in season during the summer. The most commonly consumed part of the jackfruit is the flesh, or fruit pods, which are edible both when ripe and unripe. It can be used in sweet and savory dishes. It is also used in curries and stews. The seeds are also safe to eat. Jackfruit is packed with nutrients and has an impressive nutrition profile. It contains a moderate amount of calories, providing 155 in a 1 cup, 165 gram serving. Approximately 92% of the calories come from carbs, while the rest come from protein and a small amount of fat. Furthermore, jackfruit contains some of almost every vitamin and mineral that you need, as well as a decent amount of fiber. 1 cup of sliced jackfruit provides the following nutrients: 155 calories, 40 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, 10% vitamin A, 18% vitamin C, 11% riboflavin, 15% magnesium, 14% potassium, 15% copper, and 16% manganese. What makes jackfruit unique from other fruits is its protein content. It provides more than 3 grams of protein per cup, compared to 0 to 1 gram in other similar types of fruit such as apples and mangoes. Jackfruit is also rich in several types of antioxidants, which are likely responsible for the majority of its health benefits. Jackfruit has several properties that may help with blood sugar management. It has a fairly low glycemic index, which is a measure of how quickly your blood sugar rises after eating a particular food or fruit. This has been attributed to the fiber it provides, which slows digestion and helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Diets that include lots of low GI foods have been shown to be helpful for promoting blood sugar control. Moreover, jackfruit provides some protein, which may help prevent blood sugar levels from rising too quickly after a meal. In one study, adults who consumed jackfruit extract were found to have significantly improved blood sugar levels. Additionally, a study of diabetic mice found that jackfruit leaf extract helped reduce their blood sugar levels and provided long-term blood sugar control. These effects were attributed to jackfruit's content of flavonoid antioxidants, which are known for their ability to promote balanced blood sugar levels. Although the results from these studies are promising, more studies are necessary to confirm these potential benefits. Jackfruit is high in a few powerful antioxidants that provide various health benefits, including reduced risk of several diseases. Antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which often results from damage caused by molecules called free radicals. Here's an overview of the antioxidants that are most abundant in jackfruit. Vitamin C. Jackfruit contains high amounts of vitamin C, which may help prevent the inflammation that can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Carotenoids. Carotenoids have been shown to help lower inflammation and reduce the risk of various chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Flavonoids. Flavonoids contain high inflammatory properties that may help lower blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels, important factors in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Jackfruit's content of immune-boosting vitamin A and C may help prevent illnesses. Eating this fruit is also claimed to be helpful for reducing the risk of viral infections, preventing skin problems. This fruit provides several nutrients and antioxidants, such as vitamin C, that may improve skin health. There is anecdotal evidence that eating jackfruit may even slow the aging of your skin. Jackfruit may have the potential to reduce the risk of heart disease due to its content of potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. Furthermore, the roots and extracts have been used in traditional Indian and Sri Lankan medicine to treat several conditions, including asthma, diarrhea, and stomach ulcers, but these effects have never been scientifically proven. Risks of eating jackfruit. Although safe for most, some people may need to limit or avoid jackfruit. Certain people are allergic to it, especially those who are allergic to birch pollen. Moreover, due to its potential to lower blood sugar levels, individuals with diabetes may need to have their medication dosages changed if they eat this fruit on a regular basis. Nevertheless, consuming jackfruit has never been reported to cause any serious side effects, and it is safe for most people to eat. So how do you eat jackfruit? Jackfruit is very versatile and can be eaten cooked or raw. To prepare it, you will first want to slice it in half and remove the yellow fruit pods and seeds from the skin and core. You can do this with a knife or your hands, or this easier way I found on the internet. It is important to note that the white fibrous part inside of the jackfruit is incredibly sticky, so it may be helpful to wear gloves while handling it. Fruit can be consumed plain or cooked into both sweet and savory dishes, depending on its ripeness. Unripe fruit generally tastes best in savory recipes, while the sweetness of the ripe fruit is great for desserts. Since it is an exotic fruit, fresh jackfruit can be difficult to come across in grocery stores, especially when it is not in season. However, it is often sold canned, which is a convenient option. Vegetarians and vegans often use jackfruit as a meat alternative due to its texture. For example, you can use the fruit as a meat replacement in tacos by cooking it and then combining it with vegetables and seasonings. Additionally, you can incorporate jackfruit into curries or soups. The ripe fruit also tastes great when added to yogurt or oatmeal. Jackfruit seeds are also edible. They can be roasted or boiled and then combined with seasonings. You can even use the seeds to make hummus. Jackfruit is very good for you for many reasons. It is high in nutrients and antioxidants and may have a number of health benefits, including improved blood sugar levels. You can easily incorporate jackfruit into your diet by eating it plain or in various dishes. Fresh jackfruit is easiest to find when it is in season during the summer months, but you can find canned jackfruit in almost every grocery store around the world. Thanks for watching.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.